Hello everyone, I'm Mahin. Today I'm going to tell about domestic animals. Some animals are very useful to us. They perform many people to keep these animals for the uses. These animals are called domestic animals. I am a cow. I am a gentle animal. I give milk. My baby is called a calf. I am a sheep. I am a hairy animal. Woolen is made up from my hair. I am a duck. I love to swim in water. I give eggs. I am a horse. I run very fast. I carry people to different places. Camel. I am camel. I am called the ship of deserts. I have a bump on my back. I am rooster. I wake up people in the morning with my sound. I feed grazers.